see the clutch, right? And you see these. You read that? Slider shoe set. Like $50. Slider shoes live right inside there. Both sides. And when a clutch gets old, it rattles like a son of a bitch. Listen to it. Hear that clattering? Click, 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 click. That's that noise. That we all hate. So these little slider shoes are supposed to eliminate that. Let me get one of them out. Show you the difference in the thickness. Takes a 19mm socket and the impact, and it takes about a blap. Alright, more than a blap. Anyways, leave your spring in there. See what we're looking at here. So I don't normally use this camera, I use a GoPro. So, top of the clutch, the weight, whatever the hell they call this thing. I'm sure it's got a name. Now, son of a bitch. One of these just popped out the other day. Let me get a knife. Alright, so here's your sliders right here. The new one's in the bottom and the old one's on the top. See how much wear there is right there? So anyways, I'm going to swap all these things out, put it back together, put a little Loctite on that bolt. And I'm going to fire this bitch up and we're going to see what the difference is and to see if that clattering noise is gone. I bet it will be. Stand by. Alright, these things are very tough to get out. So what I decided to do is drill a hole in one side in the center. And then take a little punch and run it through, push it out. And for this one, just come back through and do the same thing, pop it off. Well, I couldn't find the maximum wear on these, but there's 7 thousandths difference between the new and the old. 153 on the old and 160 on the new. So that's a total of 14 thousandths. That's quite a bit, really. So we'll get them back together and see if that shattering is done. Alright. I ain't gonna lie. It went together snug. I mean, it was, instead of just flopping apart in your hand, it had some tension on it. Let's see what happens when we fire it up. Oh my God. There's no noise. That is amazing. $50 shuts all that rattling shit off. Wow. Should have done that 2 years ago. Well, there you go, folks. Pretty simple to do. Pop them out, pop them in, put it back together. Not bad. I've already rebuilt the one-way clutch, put a new belt on it, cleaned everything best I could, and lubed it where the manual said it should be lubed. We ought to be good for another 7 years in this box anyway. No, not really. Bearings, the one-way clutch bearings go bad about every 2 years or something like that. Anyways, hope the video gives you enough incentive to change out your shoe sliders. And what am I supposed to say? If you like the content, like and subscribe. Now, I don't get into all that shit, folks. I don't care if you like it or not. I don't care if you subscribe. I just share the video to give you an idea on how to make your ride better. That's it. Have a great one.